Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch module up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is October 19, 2023, Thursday, option expiry for Nifty. First the levels, then what happened today. Nifty 19610.15, 0.39% down. BankNifty 43754.50, 0.3% down, while Nifty 0.24 down at 19624.70. So once again, the power of technical analysis, as always. Yesterday we had said that the Bollinger upper band in the monthly chart, daily chart, which is at 19903, it will never go there. That is going to act as a resistance. That's what we said. Then on the other hand, on the downward side, we had said that 19381, which is the 100-day moving average, that will act as a support. In fact, we had mentioned that this 100-day moving average is below the Bollinger lower band. So which is why the power of technical analysis will help you, whatever happens. So what happened today? As expected, BankNifty, FinNifty and Nifty opened a gap down. In fact, BankNifty opened the gap down significantly and also below the Bollinger lower band, and also it closed below the Bollinger lower band, which is a clear negative. While FinNifty managed to close above the Bollinger lower band, Nifty didn't go near the Bollinger lower band, just above the Bollinger lower band, it closed, forming a green candle. So normally such type of candles can be assumed in two ways. One, the two red candles the last 2 days, that is Tuesday and Wednesday, from the middle band it came down. Thereafter, this kind of a reversal candle, open gap down, forming a reversal. Tomorrow it can form a green candle and complete a bullish pattern, which is called as a morning star. Or it can form a counter attack type of candle, where it can form a big red candle and go below the Bollinger lower band, Nifty also. Both the scenarios are possible. How one will know whether what is going to happen? It is that during the day, daily movement, how it happens, the hourly chart, how it happens, and the overall global sentiment, how it is tonight, basis which this movement will happen. Because it is I would call more of a cat on a wall type of candle that it has formed. On the face of it, amateurs will say that, okay boss, after two big red candles downtrend, it is not a significant downtrend. The downtrend has just started. So it is a morning star. Morning star is a combination of three candles. Two candles are formed. The third candle, if it forms, it is a morning star. That argument is also valid. But It is at the key levels, which is why that argument can also hold. But whatever it happens, it might not be a powerful up move because many of the components are looking extremely weak. Why? HDFC Bank is looking weak, Reliance is looking weak, ICICI Bank is also looking weak, though it formed a inverted hammer today. Probably it can give you some reversal, but Infi, HCL, everything is not looking good. So with all these things, we don't expect a big counterattack on the upside or a big downfall. The big downfall, there is a possibility if tonight, overnight, US markets fall big for the second day, then yes, definitely a big fall can happen. But big up move, the chances are very limited because today yet again, Nifty couldn't hold above the, it couldn't go across the 9 exponential moving average. So BankNifty is extremely weak. So that is the structure of the market. This is what I'm saying. So with this, let's go into the details. Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank fell 1%, Bandhan Bank fell 4%. See, many analysts, it is soaring their argument. They come and say, Bandhan, it's a beautiful bank. Oh, they have cleaned their books. This happened, that happened. But always the results doesn't reflect that. I don't know. So post the results, it got hammered. That's what I think, right? Okay, I don't know. Some results or something has come. But technically, Bandhan is not able to cross above the 250 levels, 260 levels decisively and go above. So there is a strong resistance, okay, though it is up 5-6% in this calendar year. IndusInd Bank up 2%. This is one stock in the banking sector that really looks good. HDFC Bank remained sideways, but still it opened significantly, gap down, then it went up, which is why you didn't find much of movement in HDFC. Financials, Jio and LIC Housing Finance 1% down. L&T Finance and Shriram 1% up. Bajaj Twins again remained sideways. It went down significantly, then came up, then came down. So it more or less formed a sideways candle, I would say. Insurance and cards, HDFC Life, SBI Cards, SBI Life 1% down, ICICI General 1% up. Oil and Telecom, Bharti and Reliance 1% down. So that's why you have Nifty also falling 0.24%. The IT, Intellect, TCS Techem 1% down, Wipro 3% down, Apple, Birlasoft 1% up, LTI Mindtree 6% up. That's a big up move. On the consumer goods, DMart, Pidilite and PVR 1% down, Page and Colpal 1% up, ABFRL and Nestle 3% up. The automobiles, Bharat Forge 1% down, Ashok Leyland 1% up, Hero Motor 4% up, Bajaj Auto 6% up. Massive up move in Bajaj Auto. Metals, coal, Hindalco, Jindal, JSW National, where Tata Steel, Vedanta all down 1%, while NMDC and SAIL up 1%. Health and Pharma, Dr. Reddy's, Metropolis, Sun Pharma, Thyrocare 1% down, Cipla 1% up. In the others category, DLF, Adani Ports, India Mart, IRCTC, Nykaa, Polycab, UPL, Zomato 1% down, Delta Corp and Indigo 2% down. APL Apollo had a big fall of 4%. Havells moved up by 2%, Ultratech up by 3%. See, Adani Group is remaining sideways, but Adani Enterprise and Enterprise in particular looks weak in the daily and weekly chart. Hence, there is a chance that it can fall. But apart from that, the up move in banking, at least till calendar year 2022, that is another 2 months from now, is very limited. When I say very limited, it cannot cross the high that it touched some time back. Thank you very much.